everyone, my name is Citra Novita and I am from English Literature student of Pamulang University. In this video, I would like to present the material about types and history of language learning. As we know, language is the most important thing in human life. We can express our feeling and we can say what we want. Also, we can do the communication through language. And how about the history of language learning itself? So now, in this video, we will find the answer of it here together. So let's begin to discuss about our material. In previous semester, we have already known the study that learned about human language called linguistic. Then so far there have been many definitions and even theories in linguistics that define about what language is. One of them is Finocchiaro. He said that language is a system of vowel symbols that allow all people in a particular culture to communicate as well as interact. Krasner also explained two ways to learn a second language. First is independently, means that we develop ourselves in our own way of learning language, while acquisition means that our intuitive process building our own language system. There are also few that dominate the language learning approach, which is clarified in part 3. The first is structural view, as a system element and is structurally tied to the meaning of code. Then functional view, as a way of expressing to achieve certain function. And then the last is interactive view, as a bridge in the creation and maintenance of social relationship. From that review gave rise a humanistic approach that made many major innovation changes and advice in the process of learning a second language. This humanistic approach gave influence to the emergence of psycholinguistic. Psycholinguistic is the study that learns about psychological factors of human and this still relate with the understanding of how the human brain functions. Guest and Selinker also mentioned some dimensions which affect the language learning or acquisition process positively or negatively. Those are affect dimension that usually occur in someone who just moved from a place that has different in culture. Second is social aspect. This is about how a social and behavioral approach that occurs between two very different cultures. Then third is age differences. This is the assumption that children are better at learning and mastering adult language. The fourth is aptitude. This is about human ability. Next is motivation. This is believed to affect the activeness and enthusiasm of a person in learning something and is even considered to make them more effective at doing their job. Six is personality. This is the original nature of a person that appears and occurs on the basis of a combination of emotional, attitudinal, and behavioral response pattern of an individual. And seven is learning styles. This is about how attitude that shows someone's style in learning second language. The last is learning strategies. This is the way one gets the easy way of learning a second language. So that's all from me. I do apologize if I have many mistakes in my presentation and I hope you enjoy the explanation. And see you. Have a good day.